EY is the toughest, I would say. And they even do background check. They look at the entrepreneurial spirit. I know you won the EY Entrepreneur of the Year Award. This was 1 or 2 years ago. Last year. Can you tell us what are some criteria that they look for, that judges look for in doing this? Yeah, EY was amazing. I did not expect to win the overall because EY, they have the technology, the woman, the emerging, and four categories, right? And then they have the overall winner. I did not expect to get the overall winner. So the EY is the toughest, I would say. I was grilled for more than 3 hours. And then we have to give our numbers. I mean, of course, we sign NDA and all that. And they even do background check. You know, in fact, of course, last year I didn't know what to expect. I just being honest. They asked as I tell, right? This year I know, because this year the winner become the judge for this year. So we just went through the process. Now I know how strict, the process that they go through. They have people that will check your background and all that. Even one of the candidates for this year, just because the guy say he met the partner in Australia, and then the timeline, he said, hey, they cannot meet in Australia because this guy study here, this guy study here. They even go to that extent. Integrity is very high. So of course, but anyway, to answer your question, what EY look for, actually it's not even about the company. They look at individual, the entrepreneurial spirit in the respective. Of course, numbers are important, but it's not the most important. How do they gauge entrepreneurs by the number of projects you start? No, they interview. That's how you look at your spirit, yourself in an individual. How do you solve your problem? I mean, what drives you? What's your vision? What do you give back to society? I had, for example, people that talk about, ESG is very important, but yet at the same time, if you are doing something that is, in contradiction to your ESG philosophy, then this guy, correct or not, right?